These are supplementary lectures that go with our unit on Excel. This is part 1 of lecture number 1. Want to discuss first the value of Excel. Excel is going to be extremely valuable to you. It's probably the one application that propelled the personal computer from a toy to a serious tool used by professionals, and probably caused the revolution that became known as the PC revolution or the Mac revolution, the use of personal computers. Excel is extremely powerful, and I doubt that anyone really totally knows it. I've been using it for years, and I'm constantly learning new tricks with it. You'll find that if you use the help facilities, or if you have some question, you can Google or Bing it, and you'll find that there are other people who have run into your problem and have good solutions. You'll also find a lot of good lectures on YouTube or equivalent video sites. There are a tremendous number of tutorials on the Microsoft site, and there are a tremendous number of books that will help you if you really want to get into depth of Excel. If your major is going to be business or finance, education, economics, anything in the sciences, anything in applied sciences like nursing, psychology, and anything, you really want to learn Excel. It's a tool you'll always use. It's great anywhere you have to use numerical data, and it's great for organizing and maintaining lists of data. So these lectures are going to supplement your textbook. Your textbook is excellent and detailed. And the exercises you do that follow the My IT Lab are very precise, and you can use them to learn the mechanics. But I think there's some key ideas that were not as well developed and are going to be essential for you to understand. So I'm going to supplement the material. In order to view this video, you need a player that can play MP4 files, and obviously if you're listening to this, then you're good to go. Obviously your PC needs to have audio playback, and you can either do that with speakers or headset. I would say that if you're going to use a machine in a common area where it isn't well set up, you really want to have a headset that's your own. You don't want to wear somebody else's headset, just for today, for caution of transmission of viruses and so on. This is physical viruses, not computer viruses. You will always need an internet connection to listen to this. These lectures are going to follow the lecture package that was sent to you in the mail, so it's essential you always have that when you are about to listen to these lectures. There will be some extra assignments, and in order to do them, you will need to have a live copy of Excel. The simulator that you have won't work. These assignments will be of a homework type, and generally you'll be writing answers on paper, or you may actually have to do some Excel work and produce an Excel workbook. If paper is involved, then you have to mail it to me at this address, and I'll keep this address available to you on several different screens, and I probably will just email it out to you so you'll have a copy. If you have to email me anything, then you can email me at my address, pg@hawaii.edu. The assignments that will be given are usually more detailed than those that were just purely skills, but I'm also going to try to emphasize applying the skills that you have developed by doing the book exercises. They're going to usually be application based, in that they're going to ask you to do something where you have to integrate various things. Some people might think these are a little bit tougher applications because they require you to do some thinking beyond the mechanics of the book. From a perspective, what is Excel? Excel is a computer application to act like a spreadsheet. What's a computer application? A computer application, what today is called app, for those of you who are into the iPhone, iTouch, iPad, a smart telephone. It's really just a computer program. It's popularized as an app today. These instructions look something like what I've written below. You can see here that we that this is some computer code. In addition, we say that a spreadsheet, Excel is a spreadsheet, and by that we mean a piece of paper that has columns and rows. A typical spreadsheet in paper looks like this, and it's been used for for an awful long time. How do we use it? Well, for example, here is a payroll spreadsheet where I've written the name of the person. Here's their total hours, and obviously 45 hours is more than 40, so the regular hours is 40 and the overtime is 520, their rate is 1258, and somehow I figure out their gross pay, and then I figure out their taxes. So there's a whole bunch of calculations, multiplications, additions, divisions, just simple arithmetic, but that is how a spreadsheet is done. What characterizes a spreadsheet? A computer application that simulates the paper spreadsheet. There are columns and rows just like there are in the paper. Each cell in the spreadsheet is the intersection of a column and row. Each cell can be related to any other cell or collection of cells, and it has built-in arithmetic capabilities. There are some excellent articles and things that you can review, and they're listed here. Basically, you can Google and find out the history. At this point, I'm going to suggest that we come to the end of this video, but at the end here I'd like you to click on this link down below and listen to the few minutes of the origins of spreadsheets. It'd be well worth your time so that you know where they came from.